Whoa, check it out. We got a #1 dad bucket. We got a best dad ever trophy. We got card. We got chocolate. We got phone charger, Bass Pro gift card, and a cute little book. Why a son needs a dad. And we got Boss Dad slippers. What do you think about that, Jack? But truth be told, the real hero over here is Mama, because she's cooking some bacon, making some chaffles, and just looking all kinds of cute on this Sunday morning.
Super cute. You like my bib?
Yeah. Super sexy, baby. Super sexy. Where's my little son on this Father's Day? He's a snoozing. Alright. So, we're going to start off the day with some chaffles, some bacon. I got to work out at some point. Got to do some yard work at some point. Writing the 7-Set Sunday newsletter now. Let's get after it, y'all. Alright, y'all. That is the finished product. We're going to put some melted keto brick on those sweet chaffles. And then we got our savory chaffle here. It is delicious.
Alright, you guys. So sorry that every time I jump on here, you guys get a close-up of my face. Robert asks me to jump on and get a clip, but he never films me, so I have to do it myself. So you always get just a really good close-up of my face. He's pretending he can't hear me over there. Well, this guy is mostly sleeping. So I'm going to try and go get my workout in real quick. My workouts, I think I told you guys the other day, has been like about 30 minutes-ish. He keeps slightly opening his eyes, so I'm going to go run and do that real quick. Robert's going to work on a client and drink a pre-workout, and I'm going to go and do my workout. Now, by the way, you don't need a pre-workout. You do not need a pre-workout. I have not had caffeine in general or any sort of pre-workout drink in must be like 13 months or something. A little over a year or so. Oh, baloney. He's making up excuses now. But just letting you guys know, you do not have to take a pre-workout. You do not have to take anything energy-wise. You do not have to like try to psych yourself up for a workout. Just get in there, get the job done, and enjoy your workout. So I'm going to go do that before this guy wakes up. Talk to you guys later.
Alright, y'all. Just got done with the workout. Did some arms, some shoulders, biceps, triceps. Noisy fan ahead of me here. But I'm gonna knock out some posing. We're 2 weeks in right now. I'm up about 2 pounds, 2 or 3 pounds, depending on the day and the water retention. But about to hit some posing. Let's cue the music. Well, y'all, if I didn't win the award for the best posing, I darn sure won the award for the sexiest farmer's tan, because that's a high cut farmer's tan right there, y'all. What is this? What is this? What is that?
Feeding. It's a big old pool. We're about to go sit in the shade and let me and Rydell sit in it.
About to go sit in the pool, huh?
I'm so excited about it.
Some water required.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we got chicken on chicken on chicken. We're gonna cook for the crew this week, so I'm about to throw all this on the grill. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, the chicken's on the Traeger. That's the festivity going down right now. But that ain't all that's going down right now. Let's meander over here We got a little swimming pool action. Roger's gonna have his first swimming pool experience. Is it a little cold?
He's not gonna like it.
Let's just see.
It's way too cold. I'm just gonna stick his feet in it. He's not gonna like it.
It seems pretty chill to me.
Nope. I know, that was cold, huh?
It's too cold.
I thought we were gonna set it in the sun a little bit. He's not gonna like it. He's not gonna sit in this.
I can put some more hot water in there.
Let's empty a little bit of this out, put some more hot water, and we'll check in with you guys.
Check in with you in a bit. What's going on, babe?
We had quite the catastrophe here.
How come?
Well, this hose was chewed up by the lawnmower, so we had two halves, and the water was too cold. But us pouring little things of water, hot water in here was not doing a dang thing. So
should I follow the hose and see where it goes?
Yeah, follow the hose, see where it goes.
Alright, where's this hose go? Where does this hose go? Tell you what is happening. I'm letting all the flies into our house. Where does this hose go? What do you know? Hot water from the shower. That is where we're filling up our pool. Quite the fiasco for a little bitty mini pool. Looks like success over here.
Success. He's got
He's
his
in a little
bottom
bit.
half in.
Let's take his shirt off and get him all the way in. Can I hold the water?
Yeah.
Is he digging it?
I don't know. I think because part of it's warm and part of it's cold. It's a little bit hard to tell. All right, buddy. Trying to keep him in the water, and otherwise it's gonna be super cold.
Yeah.
Hi, is this fun for you?
A smile. A little smirk. Yeah.
I'm struggling here.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, buddy.
Alright, here we go. His first official swimming lesson.
Let's try to get close to that. Ew.
Oh, Rigel, Badigel.
Good job, buddy.
Rigel, someday you can look back on this video and this will be your first swimming experience.
Yeah, warm water feels nice. Okay. Okay.
Alright, I gotta go flip the chicken. Will you hold this hose?
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at these two cuties. He seems to be really enjoying it.
Father's Day right here, y'all.
Father's Day number 1. Many more to come. He does seem to be enjoying it, though.
Yes.
And look at our view. So pretty.
Alright, y'all, we are wrapping up the day. Just got done pulling a bunch of chicken off the grill. We still got a bunch of chicken on the grill, but check this out. Boom, look at all that chicken. That's what we got going. This is what I'm eating right now. Chicken plus some mayo. So, just to kind of give you an idea of what my meals have consisted of today. Had the heavy cream in my coffee this morning. Had that chaffle, savory and sweet that I showed you earlier. Ketone drinks, 2 servings of that. Chicken thighs, which is what I'm eating now. 1 keto brick, and then I'm having 3 servings, so 3 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen mayo mixed with hot sauce to fatten up the macros on this last meal and hit my 4,000 calories. So today is going to yield 4,018 calories, 326 grams of total fat, 20 grams of total carbs, and 217 grams of protein, for a fat ratio of 75.6% of my total calories coming from dietary fat. And that's going to wrap up my Father's Day macros. So just to remind y'all, I filmed these videos a week before they're publishing. So I was looking at a bunch of the comments from today's video that went live not the one you're watching right now, but the one that went live today, and it was all saying like Happy Father's Day and whatnot. But this is Father's Day video, and this will be going live a week after Father's Day. So that's what's going on there. I like that we shot all this footage a week before it actually published because it made the editing process much smoother. But with things that are not evergreen, like holidays, it makes things a little bit more confusing. So hope everybody had a great Father's Day. This is me wishing you a happy Father's Day a week after it happened. So it's kind of like I'm coming to you from the future, which is kind of crazy. We just watched the movie Tenet last night, so it all makes sense now. Anyways, that's all she wrote. See y'all next time. Much love. Take care. Toodaloo.